जय हिंद एवरीवन, वेलकम to online classes of Sri Ram Public School. I am your SST teacher and today we are going to know about the southern part. The southern part of Peninsular Plateau consists of state of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Karnataka. The chief language of this region are Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam and Kannada. The southern part of the peninsular plateau is spread from the Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Karnataka, and the chief means main language of this region are Tamil Nadu, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam and Kannada. The food people of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana are fond of spicy diet. They are eating spicy food. Pickles and chutney are an essential part of their diet. Rice, fish, idli, dosa, sambar and rasam are the main dishes of Kerala. Coconut is used in a variety of ways in their food. Because coconut is found here easily, idli, vada, ragi, fish are the popular dishes of Karnataka. Rice, appam, utpam, fish, chutney, chicken are some of the popular dishes of Tamil Nadu. People of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana fond of spicy diet. They need they like to eat spicy foods, pickles, chutneys and coconut is used in variety of foods in this region and rice, appam, uttapam, fish, chicken are some of the popular dishes of Tamil Nadu. Dress. Men generally wear dhoti kurta and ang vastra, whereas women wear saris and blouse. Dress of this region is men wear dhoti kurta and ang vastra, and whereas women wear saris and blouse. Occupation. Most of the people in Kerala are farmers or fishermen. They are farmers working in the field or fishermen. They are catching fishes. Rice is the main food crop of the state. Andhra Pradesh is the leading producer of tobacco in India. In Karnataka, farmers also grow sugarcane, ragi, cotton, oilseed, and groundnuts. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people in Tamil Nadu. Rice, maize, cotton, pulses, coffee, rubber, and cardamom are some of the important crops of this region. Festivals. People of Peninsular Plateau are fond of music and dance festivals. People of Peninsular Plateau are fond of music and dance. They like to music and dance, and Kuchipudi is the famous dance form of the Andhra Pradesh. Ugadi is one of the important festivals celebrated here. Ugadi is the famous festival of this region which is celebrated here. The most important festival of Tamil Nadu is Pongal. It is a harvest festival. Onam is an important festival of Kerala. In Karnataka, many festivals are celebrated, but Dasara is the most important among them. Yakshagan is the local dance style of the state. Bharatnatyam is the famous dance style of Tamil Nadu. The most important festival of Tamil Nadu is Pongal. It is a harvest festival, and Onam is an important festival of Kerala. In Karnataka, many festivals are celebrated, but Dasahra is the most important among them. Yakshagana is the local dance style of the state. Bharatnatyam is the famous dance style of Tamil Nadu. Importance of plateaus. The soil of the western part of the peninsular plateau is mostly black and it is suitable for growing cotton and sugarcane. In this region, mostly black soil is found and it is good for the growing crop cotton and sugarcane. Due to deforestation and heavy rainfall, the rich black soil is turning to red soil. Only pulses and maize are grown here. The plateau is rich in mineral deposited. Thus, mining is a major activity. Plateau is rich in the mineral deposit also. That's why mining is a major activity, major occupation also here. The Western Ghat and the central hills of the plateau have thick forest. They provide valuable forest products like wood, medicine, herbs, gum, resin. In the steep slopes of the Ghats, crops such as coffee, tea, pepper, rubber, etc. are grown. Many factories have been set up in the region because of the mineral deposited found here. Minerals like gold, coal, copper, and mica are found in this region. A large supply of the gold comes from the Hoti and Uti gold mines, Karnataka, and Hirabudni mines in Jharkhand, Hyderabad, Nagpur, Bhopal, Indore, Bangalore, and Mysuru are the important cities in this region. Many factories have been set up in the region because of the mineral deposited here. Many factories is set up for the mineral deposited which minerals they are getting from the mines. They make it in a factories. A large supply of gold comes from the Hoti and Uti gold mines of the Karnataka and Hirabutini mines and Jharkhand, Hyderabad, Nagpur, Bhopal, Indore, Bangalore and Mysore are the important cities in this region. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.